In this video, I'll guide you through how to merge video together on computer. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To merge video using your computer, first you download a video editing software. To download it, open the browser and search for CapCut download. Now open the first official website and click on download for free button. Then CapCut will download on your computer. Once the download process is complete, then you will install it on your computer. Now open CapCut video editing software and click on create project. Now click here to upload all of your video files. Now select the video and click on open. Now drag and drop all of the video one by one. When you finish with that, then click on export button. Again, click on export button and click on try watermark removal. You will get one free uses. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily merge video together on computer.